Hello, I'm María Figols, Chief Scientific Officer at inBiot and WellAP. For the past few years, I've been helping organizations improve their indoor environments to support health and sustainability, especially through building certifications like the WELL standard. If you're here, it's probably because you're working on a WELL-certified building or planning to start one soon. And I want to talk to you about one of the most overlooked and often underestimated aspects of that journey: the importance of indoor air quality on WELL projects. Many WELL-APs and sustainability managers still underestimate the role of indoor air quality in their project. Indoor air quality is no longer just a technical box to tick. It's now a key indicator of health, well-being, and building performance. And it's getting more important than ever in WELL standard. If you don't change the way we manage air quality, we are missing three major opportunities: to create truly healthy and productive indoor spaces, to optimize energy use through smarter HVAC strategies, and to earn up to 10 additional well points to continuous monitoring. The message from organizations like WHO, ASRAI, and WELL itself is clear. We need to take air quality seriously. And that responsibility now lies with those of us who design, manage, and certify buildings. And yet, despite its importance, indoor air quality is often treated as one-time requirement, something to check off during certification and forget. But WELL doesn't work that way. It's a performance-based standard, and buildings must prove how they perform over time, especially when it comes to air quality. The latest WELL Performance Verification Guidebook makes this crystal clear. Every air quality sensor must be calibrated or replaced at least every 3 years, and you need to submit proof to IAQ in their exact format. Unfortunately, many projects team discover this too late. We hear the same frustrations again and again. Sensors are installed, but no one knows if they're properly calibrated. Multiple providers are involved, and no one takes ownership of compliance. Audits are delayed due to missing or inconsistent data. Teams waste time and resources trying to fix issues at that last minute, and often there's no long-term plan to stay compliant beyond year one. At inBiot, we build a complete solution to make WELL compliance simple for you. Advanced technology combined with the peace of mind that everything is done right. Our Mica devices are officially recognized by the Works with WELL program and measure more indoor quality parameters than any other solution currently available for WELL projects. And with our WELL compliance replacement service, you no longer have to worry about recalibration, data loss, or timing. We replace your device automatically, ensure continuous data logging, and provide all the reports you need, including calibration status and well-formatted documentation, ready to submit to IAQ with a single click. This means no compliance gaps, no audit delays, and no time wasted chasing data from multiple sources. To help you take the next step, we've put together a free WELL indoor air quality guide. Short, clear, and practical. What WELL expects from your air quality monitoring, why continuous monitoring earns more points than performance testing, and how to set up your WELL compliance strategy the smart way. Just fill in your name and email and we'll send you the guide directly. Plus, you get free access to our demo program where you can try a Mica device in your own project. No cost, no commitment. Let's make WELL work for you today and for the long run. Thanks for watching, and I hope to speak with you soon.